everyone, this is Ren. Today, we're going to talk about conversion of measurement. Now, before I will give some examples of conversion, let's define first what is conversion. So a conversion, it is a change in the form of a measurement, different units, without a change in the size or amount. So in other words, conversion is solving problem that change from one unit to another unit of measurement. For example, the length of a guitar is about 1 meter and a meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So for the conversion factor, 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. There are two systems of measurement. The first one is metric system and the other one is English system. Let's define what is metric system of measurement. A metric system is a system of that uses the meter, liter, and gram as base units of length, capacity, and weight. There are common conversion factors in metric system, and we need to familiarize this conversion factor that is used to solve when converting units. Here's our common conversion factors. We have length and capacity. For length, we have 1 centimeter or cm in symbolic unit is equal to 10 millimeters or mm. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 over 10 or 0.1 meter. And for the capacity, we have 1 centiliter or cl is equal to 10 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 1 kiloliter is equivalent to 1,000 liters. For weight and time, their common conversion factor are 1 centigram is equivalent to 10 milligrams, 1 gram is equal to 100 centigrams, 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams, 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 month is equivalent to 30 or 31 days, 1 year is equal to 12 months, 1 year is equivalent to 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. Now let's work on an example problem. How can we convert 23 kilometers to meter? First step is to write down the given. In this item, we have 23 kilometer and we need to find the equivalent of 23 kilometer to meter. Second is you need to identify the conversion factor. Here's the conversion factor. We know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So how can we use this conversion factor to help us convert from kilometer to meter? Next, always rewrite what you're given. So we started with 23 kilometer over 1 multiplied by a fraction. Since 23 kilometer is on the top, then we will write 1 kilometer on the bottom. Therefore, 1,000 meter on the top, so that we can easily cancel out the unit of measurement, which is the kilometer. So we have 23 over 1 multiplied by a fraction, 1,000 meters over 1. So 23 times 1,000 is equal to 23,000, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So the final answer is 23,000 meters. Therefore, 23 kilometer has the same length as 23,000 meters.
For example number 2, convert 2 grams to kilogram. First is write the given. We have 2 grams and we need to find the equivalent of 2 grams to kilogram. Next is identify the conversion factor. So we're going to use 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Next is the solution. Start with 2 gram over 1 multiplied by a fraction which is 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Since 2 gram is on the top, then we're going to write this 1,000 gram on the bottom, therefore 1 kilogram is on the top. So that we can easily cancel out the unit conversion which is gram. So we have 2 over 1 times 1 kilogram over 1,000. Then simplify. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 and 1 times 1,000 is equal to 1,000. So we have, then divide. So we have the final answer. Therefore, 2 grams has the same weight as 0.002 kilogram.
So let's have another example. Convert 20 kilogram to milligrams. First is to write the given. We have 20 kilogram and we need to find the equivalent of kilogram to milligrams. Next is identify the conversion factor. So this time we will use 2 conversion factor. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So for the solution, we have 2 processes of conversion. First is to convert kilogram to grams. So next is rewrite what you're given. So we have 20 kilogram over 1 multiplied by a fraction, which is 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. Then cancel out the unit of measurement. So we have 20 over 1 times 1,000 grams over 1. Then simplify. 20 times 1,000 grams is equal to 20,000 grams over 1 or 20,000 grams. Since 20 kilograms is equivalent to 20,000 grams, we will use this as our given to convert gram to milligram. So always start what you're given. So we have 20,000 grams over 1 multiplied by 1,000 milligram over 1 gram. Then cancel out unit of measurement, which is gram. Then we have 20,000 over 1 times 1,000 milligrams over 1. Then simplify. 20,000 times 1,000 milligrams is equal to 20 million milligrams over 1 or 20 million milligrams. So therefore, 20 kilogram has the same weight as 20 million milligrams. What is English system of measurement? So an English system is grew out of the manner in which people secured measurements using body parts and familiar objects. So there are common conversion factor for English unit of measurement. We have length, capacity, and weight. So for length, we have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet, 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons, 1 cup is equal to 16 tablespoons, 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, 1 pint is equal to 2 cups, 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, and 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So for weight, we have also 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Okay, let's work on an example. Convert 24 inches to feet. So let's start with a given. We have 24 inches and we need to convert 24 inches to feet. So conversion factor, we will use 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So for the solution, we have 24 inches over 1 multiplied by a fraction, 1 feet over 12 inches, then cancel out inches. So we have 24 times 1 feet over 12, then simplify. 24 times 1 is equal to 24 feet over 12, then divide. So we have 2 feet. So therefore, 24 inches has the same length as 2 feet. Let's move on another example. Convert 36 cups to pint. First is to write down the given. We have 36 cups and we need to find the equivalent of cups to pint. Next is identify the conversion factor. Okay, we will use 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. Solution. We start with 36 cups over 1. Multiply by a fraction, 1 pint over 2 cups, then cancel out cups. So we have 36 over 1 multiplied by a fraction. So 36 times 1 is equal to 36 and 1 times 2 is equal to 2.
Then divide 36 divide 2 is equal to 18 pint. So therefore, 36 cups has the same capacity to 18 pint. Let's try problem solving. A certain car has a mass of 1,290 kilograms. How many metric ton is that? First is what is asked, the total metric ton of mass in a car. Second is to write the given. Mass of a car is equal to 1,290 kilograms. Next is identify the conversion factor. So we have 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Solution. Start with 1,290 kilogram over 1 times 1 metric ton over 1,000 kilogram. Then cancel out the unit of measurement. So we have 1,290 over 1 multiplied by a fraction. Then simplify. 1,290 times 1 and 1 times 1,000 is equal to 1,290 metric ton over 1,000, then divide. So we have 1.29 metric ton. So therefore, the total metric ton of mass in a car is 1.29 metric ton. Another problem. Ralph is measuring 2 line segments. The first line segment is measured 25 centimeters long and the second line segment is 300 millimeters long. How long are the 2 line segments in centimeters? First, what is asked? The total length of 2 line segments in centimeter. Second is to write the given. First line segment is equal to 25 centimeters and the second line segment is equal to 300 millimeters. The conversion factor needed is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Next is form an equation. So we have 25 centimeters plus the length of the second line segment in centimeter is equal to n. Solution. Convert millimeter to centimeter. Start with 300 millimeters over 1. Multiply by a fraction 1 centimeter over 10 millimeters. Then cancel out the unit of measurement. So we have 300 over 1 times 1 centimeter over 10. 300 times 1 and 1 times 10 is equal to 300 centimeters over 10, then divide. So we have 30 centimeters. Next is use the equation. 25 centimeters plus the length of the second line segment in centimeter is equal to n. Since we already convert millimeter to centimeter, we just need to substitute the value for the second line segment in centimeters. So we have 25 centimeters plus 30 centimeters is equal to 55 centimeters. Therefore, the total length of 2 line segments in centimeter is equal to 55 centimeters. Thank you.